Hello, welcome back to another video on the BMW E92. This is going to be a very quick video. We'll probably do it on the iPhone, but we're going to be installing LED angel eyes. I didn't really do much research on them. They are what they are. They're just LED angel eyes. So we'll crack on. It says E92 K60 angel eyes. If it focus. Just use the flat threaded screwdriver and pop the clips out. Push the light down towards the passenger side of the vehicle and then just pull it out of its housing and remove the bulb. If you want to reuse the bulb, do not touch it, otherwise it will blow as soon as you use it or soon after from the oil from your skin. When I was installing the LED angel eye bulbs, I found it much easier not to disconnect this wire. To remove the old bulb, just undo these two clips on either side. Then simply just reconnect the new LED angel eye to the existing car wiring unit. Put the LED angel eye into the housing and turn it the opposite way of removal. When I did the passenger side, I didn't disconnect this wire and I found it much easier. Simply push the wires together and then thread them together. It is not a difficult job, but it is quite fiddly due to the lack of space and length of the wiring. The passenger side turns the same way as driver's side.